Hey guys, I'm Charlie and welcome to Project Morris. In this video, we're going to be doing the rust. As you can see, it's little bits and pieces here and there. Some bits worse than others, but we'll get there. Just little bits and pieces here and there, a little bit at a time. So, yeah. Let's get to it. Step 1. Trusty Haynes manual. Need to find the rust section. It'll be under this, 224. Okay, here we go. I have a quick read through this, and I have had a read of it before. I'm only going to do as far as treating it, getting rid of all the stuff off. I'm not going to cover anything up, because this is very old. You'll see why in a moment. This part right here, apparently this way is way older than me, so I don't trust that it's still legal. So just to be safe, I'm not going to get up to that bit right just yet. But let's get that drill working. Let's get to work. I did some work off camera. Start from the front. Little bit of work on the door. And a little bit work up on here. Start a little bit on the roof. And then these little bits by the back window. And then I started on the boot. But this turned out to be a waste of time, kinda. Because got to here and started noticing holes. Started noticing more little holes. And this is the worst bit. That's definitely right through anyway. Little bits up there. But under here, very big issues. Rusted right the way down. Going all the way through. And then there's little bits on the inside as well that I don't know how I would get out. All around in the bolts as well. So I have decided I'm going to replace the boot just to make life easier. But main concern right here. That's rust right there. It's also kind of rusty, starting to come through. So yeah, so that's where progress is right now. Still a lot of work to go, but we'll get there. I'm also in the start of maybe, if I'm lucky, getting the first lot of spare parts. New boot, number 1, hopefully. And hopefully a dash. I'll show you why. It has a crack right here. From being in the sun too much, I guess, because it was quite hard when I got it. And also the foam down here, a bit buggered. And yeah, so that's where we're up to right now. Keep you updated in the next video. Probably more rust work. I'm probably gonna do most of it off camera again, just to get more done quicker. And then I reckon maybe next thing, rip the carpet out so we can start tackling the inside of the rust, or the rust inside. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.